Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. Today, I share with you the simple but yet delicious jollof stew recipe that you can try your hands on. It's very delicious, very easy to put together, and you will love it. So all you have to do right now is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For the base of this jollof stew, I'll be blending some onions, natural spices, which includes bay leaves, coriander seed, rosemary, and star anise seed. I also blend garlic, pepper, beetroot, and ginger. So now let's heat up some cooking pots, and we will also go in with some cooking oil as well. And afterwards, I'll go in with my blended ingredients. For the blended vegetables, feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, now let's heat up the oil, and once that is done, I'll go in with some bay leaves and also rosemary to give the oil flavor. You can omit this stage totally, but trust me, it adds good flavors to the oil. And after 2 minutes, I'll go in with my blended ingredients. Now I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and it should be ready. As always, you should check it from time to time. Now, while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your lovely support towards this channel. Alright, so now it's been 10 minutes of cooking the base, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has taken up very well, and it has also changed in color as well, and that's what I'm looking for. It's just perfect. So next, I'll go in with some tomato paste. For this recipe, you can also use fresh tomatoes only if that is what you want, or you can combine both, and that's just fine. Okay, but for today's recipe, I'll just be concentrating on the tomato paste. Now, after adding in the tomato paste, I'll give it a very good stir. I'll also go in with a little bit of water to allow the tomato paste cook very well. If you have any meat stock, you can add it, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Now let's stir once again. We will cover and allow it to cook for approximately 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and it should be ready. As always, you should be checking it from time to time. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and delicious jollof stew recipe as well. And trust me, they are definitely going to love it. Do subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much. Alright, so now the stew is all done. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's time for me to go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce. As you all know, mackerel in jollof rice is a game changer, so kindly try it. Okay, you can go in with any meat of your choice as well, but trust me, the mackerel works perfectly fine. Now let's go in with some stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder, and also some black pepper powder. Last but not the least, let's go in with some salt to taste. Always adjust to your taste. Okay, let's give everything a very good stir, and once that is done, I'll cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook very well. Okay, Alright, so we are back to check on the stew after about 10 to 15 minutes now, and this is how it looks like. It's looking super good right now and just perfect. Now let's give it a very quick stir. I'll cover it for the last time for about 10 to 15 minutes approximately, and it should be ready. Jollof stew is very easy to put together, but trust me, it is amazing. All you have to do right now is to trust the process. Alright, so fam, as you can see, this stew is just looking good. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple Ghana jollof stew recipe, and I'll be glad in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. All that is left right now is to start to make my jollof rice. I'll be sharing the recipe for this jollof rice very soon. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.